What about heavy metal? What about screamo? Like screamo rap. You ever heard of Broken Side? You ever heard of Korn? Can you listen to them? That's what I'm listening to right now. You ever seen the music video for Coming Undone? That's weird. They look really weird. The lead singer is like, his hair is so blonde that it's like white and dreadlock, and like it's like Jamaican hair. It's weird.
They have like Max.
No, that's Slipknot.
No, I know it's Slipknot.
Or
No,
no,
one of them. Listen to them again.
no.
I don't know.
I don't think so.